Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Enrique Pena X-Series Mula here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool frame lock knife, guys, made by Riat in China. It's a titanium frame lock, nicely done, I have to say. It's a beautiful one, guys. It's very compact. Overall length of this guy is going to be 7.625 inch long when open, and the handle is going to be 4.375 inches. It's a great knife, guys. Perfect EDC size. Titanium frame lock, beautifully finished, nice color going on both sides. The blade is a pretty cool M390 steel with a satin finish. Really nicely done, guys. 3.25 inch long. You can deploy this guy like that with your thumb, or like this, like Spidey flick, or like even front flip this guy like that. Not like this, but like this. And action is really good. Sound this guy makes, it's very quiet and pleasant. Really nice. Ergonomic are fantastic. There's no hot spots whatsoever. Maybe a little bit here, but no, not really. It's just the only place probably can come like from this area here, but I don't feel anything, guys. So this is a pretty good one. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.